on my...
You have the hiccups?
Yeah. Oh, that's so weird. Ah. I have my hiccups. So your hiccups.
They're like my hiccups?
Yeah. I need better medicine.
You need better medicine?
No, listen.
You need what?
Listen.
Medicine? D?
Yeah.
Sorry, say it again.
Better listen.
Better?
D.
D?
I.
I?
T.
K?
No, T.
T?
I.
D-I-T-I?
O-N.
Dighton?
No, listen.
D-I-T-I-O-N? Diction?
Yeah. Oh, I missed the C. Why do I have the hiccups?
I don't know. Can you hold your breath?
Look, my lips look bigger than ever.
Is this what you want your lips to look like?
Yeah.
Are you taking
Look it.
They look really big.
Yeah.
You're right. Maybe they'll stay that way, do you think?
Hold your fingers.
Okay, take a deep breath. And hold it.
When did you come in the room?
Are you okay?
Yeah, when did you come in the room?
Why didn't I?
When? Time.
Oh, about 10:20.
Oh.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you should turn it off. Can you go to sleep?
Okay, sure. I